unless you're an in-your-face aficionado of close premium Japanese cars, you could be pardoned for not understanding that there have been 4 ages of Toyota Avalon as yet. It's dependably been an ordinary Toyota, which is to state, well-assembled and agreeable, however never something we'd portray as strong. That progressions with the arrival of the 5th-era Avalon at the Detroit Auto Show. New for 2019, the 5th-age Avalon makes tremendous walks in the plant and innovation divisions. The vehicle's outside is all around caught up with looking, however it's not by any stretch of the imagination unnice looking. The mix of a gigantic front grille alongside more body wrinkles and character lines isn't really going to work for everybody, except we kind of burrow it. In any event, in photographs, the higher-spec limited model has a standout amongst other looking insides we've seen left Japan in quite a while. It really gives off an impression of being about comparable to the $100K plus Lexus LC500. The cowhide sewing looks mind-blowing, and the middle stack is stunning in the way it skims over the dash and falls down into the inside reassure. Inside tech guarantees to be broad, as well, with standard and Tune 3.0, which includes a 9-inch capacitive touchscreen, Qi remote charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, smartwatch joining, Alexa network and Apple CarPlay, also an insane 10-inch head-up show, at present the biggest in the portion. The Avalon will be accessible with either another, all the more intense 3.5-liter V6 or the Toyota hybrid system too, neither of which figure to light anybody's hair ablaze. Regardless of which motor you pick, they ought to be appropriate to the character of Toyota's leader vehicle, especially since they will be matched with Toyota's 8-speed gearbox with, likely unnecessary, paddle shifters. The Auto is based on the Toyota new global architecture stage, which additionally supports the current Lexus RX and Camry, and that is no awful thing. We question it will be the last word in driving flow, however dislike your normal Avalon purchaser is a track day general. In any case, it won't not humiliate itself in the twisties because of Toyota's adaptive variable suspension, a first for the Auto. Obviously, no discussion about the Avalon would be finished without specifying its sources. The 5th-gen Auto is a gladly US-planned vehicle, which may come as an astonishment to a few. The styling was taken care of by Toyota's Culti office in Ann Arbor, Michigan, while the mechanical bits were managed at the Toyota Motor America R&D office in Salem, Michigan. Include the way that the Avalon is being worked at Toyota's manufacturing plant in Georgetown, Kentucky, and you have an Auto that is seemingly more residential than a portion of the items originating from the Detroit 3 nowadays.